Today, this is Miss Charlotte from beautiful Buda, Texas, coming to you. And today, we're just going to show you little things that happen in the kiln, or in the studio. This is the door to my studio, and my welcome sign, and my fake wisteria that is covering up the air conditioning vent. Speaking of which, I need to go do that. Over here, I have a series of plants. It's sort of my garden. Behind it, we have a volunteer tomato vine. Last year, there was a flat garden there. This year, it wasn't. And as the weeds growed up, and then all of a sudden, I saw these tomatoes sprouting, or blooming actually, and had this volunteer tomato vine in there, so we put some stakes in there for it to climb up on. And these out here are my flowers, and they're in pots and doing real well. Over here I have my gardenias. I have the bush gardenia over there and the tree gardenia here, and they're about ready to bloom. This is just a bunch of grass that's going to have to be cut down. Now we're going to take you inside the studio. Oh, this is my sink. I didn't show you the sink. This is the sink right outside the studio door. And this is my little fountain. It's a cute little fountain. And now we go inside the studio door. Don?
Yeah.
And we'll show you around in here a little bit. It's dark in here right now, and there's no air conditioning going, but we'll be taking care of that in just a minute. I turn it on and turn these down so that it's pointing. That's my air conditioner up here. So it's pointing down instead of up. This air conditioner is meant to be done on the ground, but it wasn't. Come on in. I'm getting someone to come help me with this next part of the video because it's going to take two people. I can't carry and do the video at the same time. So, around here we've got my vacuum, shop vac, and here's where I do my glazing. There's all my glazes, and up here some more glazes, and underglazes, and all kinds of stuff. And over here's where I do the glazing. Here's where I do the hand building. And Don's going to take over because I've got to take these pieces on. I need to find that red thread. Here it is. I'm going to take the pieces that are bone dry and ready to be fired. At this stage, they are very, very, very fragile. If there's any cleanup that I didn't get to in the leather hard stage, if there's anything that needs to be taken away, I don't do it in the leather bone dry stage because it's so fragile and it could break with no notice. So, we take them very carefully. In the dish. The kiln I have that I do my disc firing with is a rather small kiln, and so it doesn't hold a lot. So these four dishes and the magnets are going to be plenty for it. And yes, Ashley, these are your magnets for your dishes. I don't break them first. Fall over and break my neck. Good catch. Not really one of them did. I get it. This is the big kiln. On top of it. First of all, I'm going to put these ditches down into the bottom of this kiln. This is the little kiln. You can shoot down in there if you can. This is the thermocoupler that measures how hot the kiln is. This is a automated kiln, so it has the digital on the outside. I need that shelf. That's all that we can get in this kiln on one shelf, so we're putting in another shelf. You have to be real careful of the walls. This shelf is just made to exactly fit this kiln. It's not really made for my fingers to go in there to make it fit. So we're going to put another one in over here, and then we can get all these guys here in. That came off there. The pieces inside seem to be fine. But whatever it is, it's going to get this hard. Okay, we have the kiln loaded. We're taking the kiln down. This has a thing for it to come up. Okay? Actually, it's hot enough to do that. And the kiln is on. Now hit this little button here. It says cone. It says start, stop. Hit it. It says idle. Hit it again. It says cone. Hit it again. It says 04. That's the last firing that I did of it. Goes to 1945 degrees. So we hit it again to tell it we're fine. That's the speed, slow. That's what we want. Hold, no, we don't want to hold. Start, yes. Now the kiln is on. And in just a few minutes, it says it's 98 degrees in there. That's what it is out here too. Now, you heard that click? That means the kiln is running. So, that's going to be it for right now. And I'll show you some more steps when we get around to them. Thanks for watching. The red button.